Welcome back. Now let's get to this look. Don't mind my hair. Okay, I'm going with the Plouise Pro Base, and I'm just gonna pat that all over my eyelid. And with the fluffy brush, I'm gonna blend it all together into my skin. Okay, since this look is like a triple cut crease, I'm gonna place my first crease at the highest point of my eye. Throughout this whole look, I'm gonna be using this palette, and with the reddish tone, I'm gonna place that right in the cut crease. I will list the colors I use below in the description box. Right here, I changed brushes, and I'm using that brush to blend that line out nice and smoothly. This is very important because we really want that color to really fade out. With a different brush, I'm patting some new tone eyeshadow right in the eyebrow. Now I'm gonna pat in some dark brown eyeshadow right into the line. It doesn't matter if you go below the line or not. That was just to give us an idea. Then I'm gonna blend it all out right into the red. Here I switch brushes and I pat on some of that red tone eyeshadow again. Now I'm going with this Morphe concealer, and it looks like this. It's all white, and I'm gonna use that to cut my crease. Once I place that line down, I am going to wipe off the excess eyeshadow from below. I do not want product to be stuck because it's just going to crack. Now I'm going with the light purple, like a lavender color. Now I made this using Inglot, eyeshadow, and white concealer because I do not own anything that is just like this, so I had to make it. I will list the products I use to make this right in the description box below. And if you want a video of how you make your own eyeliner out of different colors of eyeshadows, just let me know and I'll make a video for that. Now I'm using the same shade I made this eyeliner, and I'm just gonna pat that eyeshadow right in. We are just setting it because we do not want it to keep it wet. Now in the outer corner of my crease, I'm using a dark purple and placing that right on there. I'm doing this just to give more dimension to the liner. And I'm gonna blend it all out. And I'm gonna do the same thing right in the inner corner of my eye using the dark purple, the same tone, and I'm gonna blend it in together, and it should look like this. And then we are gonna cut that line, and we want to keep this line very thin but not too thin. And I'm just gonna follow my eye structure and cut it. It's best to keep your eyes open and not closed so you can really see where to place the cut crease, so that way when you open your eye, it does not mess it up. Then, of course, we are going to wipe it off because we have one more step to do and we do not want product to build. Okay, again, I'm going to be placing the Plouise Pro Base and, you know, really smooth that out. And blend the edges once more. Okay, in the middle of the eye, I'm using a white eyeshadow, and this is the point where we really want to keep it nice and bright. Now with a small brush, I'm placing a dark brown eyeshadow, and then I'm going to use the same red-brown tone and put that right there. And I'm going to mix those two colors together and blend it all out. When I mean blend, I mean really, really blend. And then you do the same thing in the inner corner and it should look like this. And one more time, we're gonna cut that crease. I know, it's a lot, but it's okay. That's why we placed our crease at the highest point. And that's another reason why I say keep your eyes open at all times when you're doing a look like this. So when you open your eyes, those three creases are not hidden by your eyelids. Then I'm just gonna set that base underneath. Now I'm going with Inkblot eyeliner. This is the first time I use this eyeliner and I like it a lot. I did not have to mix it with anything. It's very creamy and it dries right when it's on your eye. Yep, we get that eyeliner right in there. Right here I'm using a nice shimmer. It's pretty much of a silver tone. Then I'm gonna go in with a gold glitter and this base. I'm just gonna pat that right in there and put on that glitter. Okay, face time. I'm gonna use the Milk Hydro Primer and put that all over my face. I just use 2 drops. Then I'm gonna go in with Morphe Concealer, place that all over my T-zone, and I'm just gonna blend that all out using a beauty blender. Next, I'm going to go in with Fenty foundation. I'm just going to blend it all out. Of course, I am going to set my face and put that under my eyes, my chin. And of course, contouring using Morphe palette and the shade Donut, placing that under my cheekbones and my chin. And then my nose. And of course, set underneath your contour. And I'm just gonna brush up the middle of my face and use this highlighter in Centipede. My favorite blush ever. And I'm just gonna go in with that and place that all over my cheeks. And brush out the setting powder. And my eyelashes are on. This is how it should look like. And of course, setting spray. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I know it took a long ass time. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.